Hey there, I'm Amber Brooke, checking things out at Gwinnett Tech for Tech Head TV. Gwinnett Tech offers hundreds of programs. Today, we're going from blueprint to buzzsaw. It's college, Tech Head style. Get a life. Odds are, most people don't think about the buildings they work in or live in too much. But someone has to. I mean, someone has to draw up the blueprints, put hammer to nail, install the electrical wiring, or crank on the heat in the winter or the AC in the summer. I mean, think about how miserable our lives would be without air conditioning alone. Well, here at Gwinnett Technical College, more than a dozen certificates and diplomas are offered to students who do think about this kind of stuff. So today, to find out more information, strapping on my hard hat and entering the construction zone. Hi there.
Hi.
You must be Program Director Kenny Adkins.
I'm Kenny Adkins. Good to meet you.
It's great to meet you as well. What you working on over here?
Well, I was just cutting some trim. We're gonna be working on installing crown molding here soon.
All right. So why don't you tell me about all the areas of construction that you focus here at GTC?
If you're interested in working with your hands, you can get in just about any kind of area as far as a construction trade you can get, whether it be carpentry, residential construction, commercial construction management, welding, machine tools, drafting. So if you're the type of person that wants to see your accomplishments at the end of the day, go into one of the areas of construction, and then you can bring grandma in and say, look, this is what I got, this is what I built today. And it's just a ton of fun.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. You must be Gail Edwards. How are you?
Yes, I am. How are you?
I'm wonderful today. Thank you. What are you working on here?
Well, I'm getting ready for our CCM 103 class, which is our commercial print reading class.
Great. So tell me, what is commercial construction management?
Well, commercial construction management is the program that we have here at Gwinnett Technical College that focuses on the management skills of commercial construction projects. What is unique about this program is that within 2 years, you get the skill set to go out and be a technical thinker and go out to be able to manage with authority on a job site.
Oh, so you are Tony Cook.
That's correct.
Hi, I'm Amber.
Hey Amber, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you as well. So tell me about the drafting program here.
Well, we have a one-year program diploma, and it pretty much lets people get out in a year and go to work. There's a 2-year associate degree, and that actually gets you to a step to a 4-year school, in case you want to go on to try to be an architect or an engineer.
So what's it like to work on the equipment, the facilities here? Tell me a little bit about that.
Well, it's very easy. The teacher is, very helpful, and he actually wrote the book himself.
Right.
And whenever I have a question, I always ask him. He's always there to help me, and everyone else, is always there to help you too. Everyone helps each other, basically.
Do you have any advice for students who are thinking about going into drafting?
It's definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. I mean, supposedly there's going to be a lot of jobs, a lot of jobs opening up here in the near future in this field. So yeah.
Excuse me.
Yes.
Where am I?
This is machine tool technology.
Okay. Can you tell me what this program is?
In this program, we train students how to manufacture parts for the aircraft, automobile, or satellite industries.
So you see everything that has to do with metal, basically, you guys.
Or even plastic.
Or plastic.
Because have you ever thought about where a bottle comes from? A plastic bottle. It comes from a mold.
Oh.
A machinist makes the mold.
So wow, you guys really make everything or have a hand in everything.
We're the backbone of America.
So could you teach me how to do something?
Sure.
All right. All right, so what made you choose the Gwinnett Technical College?
It's one of the few machining programs left in the state, and it was recommended to me by a number of machine shops when I went by to look for a job.
I think the school is awesome. Mr. Dunn, he works with us. He really takes his time and he focuses, and if we don't know, he really explains it step by step by step by step.
I'm here with Jerry Williams, who's one of the program directors here at Gwinnett Tech. What are your students learning that's new right now?
Well, right now, we are dealing with a lot of new refrigerants, that is coming down so that they are not destroying the ozone. So they're ozone environmental friendly.
That's wonderful.
So that's a change. And pretty soon we're going to be offering classes with solar, photovoltaic, so using the sun as an energy source, and solar thermal.
I think it's a great program to enroll in. The instructors are very hands-on, and they actually take a lot of time with the program and with the students to ensure that they understand the material.
So why Gwinnett Technical College?
Just many reasons. They have a very good reputation. My dad, he came here, and I came in, just kind of checked out the whole school itself, and I went and checked the other ones. I just believe this one would be the best one for me.
So tell me who you are and what this program is.
My name's Gary Bish. I'm the program director for Gwinnett Tech, and this is welding technology.
So tell me a little bit more about the program itself.
The program itself it's got a wide variety of different processes that you can utilize. We've got stick, MIG, TIG. We do a little bit of pipe. We go back in and we teach it from the fundamentals, taking a look at individuals that have no experience to the individual that has experience and trying to get into doing certification testing. We are an accredited test facility with the American Welding Society, and there's nobody in the state of Georgia that's another high school or a post-secondary that can say that. There's only 2 in the state of Georgia, and we are one.
Well, great. Thank you so much. What do you think? Should I get one of these? Look good?
I signed up for an introduction to welding, and I didn't really sure what field I wanted to go into, but after I got an opportunity to meet Gary Bish, kind of changed my outlook on things.
So would you encourage other women to join the program?
Oh, most definitely. Yeah, I would definitely encourage women to not be afraid to step out and do something different, especially if they want to work with their hands and get in a field that has a good future.
I chose Gwinnett Tech because I looked online and I noticed that they pretty much had the most advanced welding system that I had seen, so I decided to go with Gwinnett Tech.
Well, we've learned a lot today about the construction programs offered here at Gwinnett Technical College. You know the saying, it's a tough job, but someone has to do it? Well, I can think of no better example than construction. And the students here are using their know-how and their sweat equity to prepare for one of the most rewarding and satisfying careers out there. Well, that's all for today at Gwinnett Technical College. I'm Amber Brooke, and we'll see you next time on Tech Head TV.